Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable container in Elementor. This feature is essential if you want to use Elementor's modern Flexbox-based layout system, which gives you much more control and flexibility over your page designs compared to the traditional section and column structure. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your admin area. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard with various options available in the left sidebar. Next, look for Elementor in that left sidebar and click on it. A submenu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for Elementor, where you can configure various features and options for the page builder. Once you're on the settings page, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Click on the Features tab. This is where Elementor keeps all its experimental and advanced features that you can enable or disable based on your needs. The Features tab is crucial because it allows you to activate cutting-edge functionality before it becomes standard. Now scroll down through the list of features until you find Container. This is the specific feature we're looking to activate. The container element is a game changer for building layouts, as it uses modern CSS Flexbox technology that makes positioning and responsive design much more intuitive. When you locate the container option, you'll see a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this drop-down and select Active from the available options. By doing this, you're enabling the container feature across your entire Elementor installation, which means you'll be able to use it on any page you build or edit. Finally, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is crucial because without saving, your settings won't take effect. Once you click Save, Elementor will process your changes, and the container feature will now be available in your editor. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the container feature in Elementor. Now, when you edit pages with Elementor, you'll have access to this powerful layout tool that gives you greater design flexibility. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.